Boom, 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 boom. You can't stop me. I just gotta go see Beetlejuice to grab my hand, have some fun, watch the movie, laugh, laugh, laugh. Beetlejuice is not staring. She's wrong, wrong, wrong. That person who ever thinks Beetlejuice is staring. That's a PG-13, not a R. You gotta be stupid to think that movie's staring. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You gotta be dumb, 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 dumb to think Beetlejuice is staring. It might be strange, but it's not really creepy to me. Because nothing stares the wall, nothing really stares me, nothing really stares me. Nothing really stares the wall, you can't stare the wall. Nothing more to the one, to the two, to the three, to the four. Put your hands up, put your hands up. You can't stare me. What stares you, I usually find funny. That's why, how? What stares you, I usually find funny. No, I don't know what rhymes with funny, but I can watch it all day and night. Here I come with my bondo drums. Yeah, yeah. I've already got more subscribers. And I can block the whole thing. But I'm going to see Beetlejuice 2 tonight. But what lives in your nightmares doesn't live in mine. What lives in your nightmares doesn't live in mine. Probably is your nightmares I find hilarious. Probably what lives in your nightmares I find hilarious. Probably what lives in your nightmares I find hilarious. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What lives in your nightmares I find hilarious. Ho, ho, ha, 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 ha. Well, I'm going to see Beetlejuice 2, not Beetlejuice 1, not Beetlejuice 3, whatever hell was that.